today. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the performer's pseudo sphere for the first time. So let's see how it is. Okay. Can I trust with it? Will it like glitch the... Okay. This guy's stick is doing some good damage right now, which is not good. Well, not good for me. It's good for him though, because I didn't unlock the stick yet. Okay, go away, go away, go away. Uh, let's just have a little restart. Okay, get him. Get him over here. No way he gets me right now. Okay, get him. Get him. Whoa. Whoa. What the hell? What? Okay. This is way better than I expected. Because first of all, it doesn't have much weight. But I was just burning out energy there, but it does not have like much weight. Which means you won't like lose as much, you know. You won't lose as much stamina. Look, this is how. And let's look at something like this thing. Like I was glazing this, but it couldn't cut. This thing, it can literally cut and bond. Because do you not see the hook right there? Under the freaking blade, it can like bond people. Uh-oh, I don't want this guy getting close. Go away. Oh, I'm whiffing. Okay. Don't let him get there. Okay, one hand off. I'm just gonna use the left hand. Cause I'm trying to punch him like there is no tomorrow. You can see the point here. You can see my point over here. I could like punch him so many times. Whereas the spear and stuff, they aren't good at close range. This isn't too long, so you can... It's mid at close range, but otherwise it's perfect. Like, look, I can also... Oh shit. Okay, maybe I need to keep an eye on my stamina. Okay. Okay, okay. Do you not see this damage? See? I literally hooked the guy and then pulled him back. And that made him die. Okay, okay. Okay, one hand. One hand down. One more to go. Okay. Oh well. Guess my hand is down too. Dude, Cole, do not beat me. Oh, this guy might be harder to kill because he might just keep trying to bonk my head, and I'm wasting a lot of energy right now. What? See, I wasted. Okay, with one hand it's even more OP. Just needs to get him. Okay, so I swear it's good. It's just I just whiffed over there. I literally just whiffed over there. Okay, okay. Keep an eye on my stamina. No, like the others, if you don't bonk hard enough, it's not gonna do any damage. But this one, it can cut. So whether you bonk hard or not, it's doing some great damage. He's trying to go for my legs. Okay, okay, okay. Get that, get that. Another. And he's good. And yep, like I can even quick him to drag him. And if you hit him hard enough, it can go through the chest plate. So yeah, it's pretty OP. Did you see how I hooked him right there? Okay, 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 okay. And keep doing that. And he's gonna crush my hand in a second. Oh! I cut his legs. He can't do shit now, eh? Well, as you can tell, the pseudo of the performer's pseudo spear is OP. Okay. At the right hand, it's almost useless. It's only good to like cut hands with the right hand. But with the left one, you can bonk. You can slice. Aha.
ما راح تقدر تستلم قصتك النفطية
Can you stop this?
إلا ويا سوبر كي. لحق صدر بطاقتك منكي قبل نهاية هاي السنة مدامها مجاني. ما راح تقدر.
I literally have no idea what this thing is even about though.
بابا نه آسیا ترابونه بس کرده
Okay, okay,
ترابونه هستدی بس
okay, 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 okay. Yo, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. What? What? I'm lagging. I won by lagging? Huh? Okay, get him. Okay. And No, no, don't you figure out about bonking now. It's a little too late to figure out about bonking, eh? I hit his butt. Last match. Get him, get him, get him, get him.
That's so done.
Got him. That was so easy. What the hell? Do you seriously? How lonely do you need to be to talk to AI? Like, why would you need an AI group? Like, I don't see the point in that.
Teškirovi, evinden kafiru, teškiru se dosto, je gigavo, mene gigejki, teškiru da
Red patterns on